Grok 4 is released and it's really insanely powerful than the Anthropic Opus and OpenAI O3. But the greatness not always on the paper, on the graph, on the comparison, but the real greatness comes when you try it. I tried on OpenRouter the Grok 4 version with the coding challenges and something crazy happened. You're going to see at the end of this video. So make sure you see that because that is the real evaluation of the Grok 4. And mind you, this is not that case. Before the release of Grok 4, Elon Musk created a huge hype around the release, and obviously because Grok 4 is super amazing. It is having a multimodality, that means text and images are there. It can only output the text right now, and it has context window of 256,000. Function calling, structure output and reasoning are really its core strength. If you want to subscribe to the Grok 4, then you need to pay really high fee because Grok 4 is coming up with two variants, the normal Grok 4 and the Grok 4 Heavy. If you want to use the Grok 4 Heavy, you need to pay $300 per month, and that will give you the Grok 4 Heavy access. But if you want normal one, then $30 per month is for Grok 4. That is again really costlier than other platforms where most of them are providing $20 per month plan. But now if you want to use the Grok 4, just want to try it out or maybe use in the API, then you can just go to the OpenRouter, search for the Grok 4, and here we are. It is having the pricing like $3 per million input token and $15 per million output token. So let's compare this with Sonnet 4 basically. Now Sonnet 4 is also having the exactly same pricing, so we are good at the API pricing, which is really powerful. Now if you want to really try it out, just go and click on this Grok 4 and you can actually have the chatting. Now let's check out some of the benchmark and the comparison with other models. So here I am on the artificialanalysis.ai, and it is really powerful website. Now if you go here and you can see, if I actually get the evaluations, then MMLU multitasking Grok is just below the Opus. Now calling the scientific reasoning, Grok is at the top. Now what about the coding? So coding with the live benchmark, human eval and sci-fi. On this sci code, it's just on the second. Then human eval, it's pretty behind but not far, like 99 and 98%. And for about the live code benchmark, Grok is really powerful. And if you see the intelligence versus pricing, the real thing which everyone is concerned about, O3 Pro and Opus are really costly if you want to get real amazing intelligence. But check out the Grok 4. Grok 4 is actually at the top, which says that all of these models are, yes, less costly but giving you the less intelligence. But Grok 4 is actually at the level, or I can say it's more powerful, more intelligence than O3 Pro and Claude Opus compared to other models. Now what about the speed? Now speed is really faster for the Flash Gemini because its output token per second is really high, but not for Grok 4. Grok 4 is still having a really slow one, but again it's giving you the high intelligence. So yeah, something you need to consider it. Now let's talk about the context window. Obviously the context window, we already know it is 256K, and don't compare Llama 4, it's 1 billion. So don't worry about that. But if you see the context window versus intelligence, so obviously yeah, Grok 4 is having high intelligence but less context window. It's a trade-off one more time, that if you want a high intelligence, you need to have something to trade off. Okay, now let's try this Grok 4. Go to the OpenRouter, click on chat, and here we are. To test the Grok 4, let's go to the high level expert level Python question, and here we are. So get that, paste it, and see the output. We get the output, copy it, and let's try it here. So on the code, paste it, check, and oops, we have some issue. So let's get the error and give it back to the Grok, and we get the answer. Okay, let's try it again, and one test pass, other fail. So let's one more try. Finally we get another answer. Let's copy this, paste it, and try that. Cool. all tests are passing. So yep, it is good but not perfect on the coding challenges. So let's try one more, and let's have the expert level. Okay, so this one, which is really complex, and let's see how this complex one it is going to solve. So solve this. One thing I really don't like about Grok 4 is its too much thinking ability. So see, for a long time it's keep on thinking. Maybe this could be the issue of the OpenRouter, but for now I don't think this is really have a faster response. It's really thinking too much. See, I restarted it and it still is thinking mode. So for my test, this is still keep on thinking, but I tried this with Sonnet and Sonnet gave me the real answer, and this seems like a good one. So final solution is this, and let's try from Sonnet, and this is not Grok by the way, and let's see what will be the error. And every test is passing from Sonnet, and what about Grok? It is still thinking. So see, this Grok, although it's really powerful, but the power relies on the ability to give the answer faster and accurate. So it might be accurate but not the faster. Okay, so this is the Grok 4, which is having huge hype, but in reality it is not making the solution as per the need. So think about this. Everything, every benchmark, every graph, everything is really saying Grok 4 is amazing. But when you really use it, the reality checks are here. So in my opinion, Grok 4 is yes powerful, but not great compared to other models we have right now, especially from the Anthropic and the OpenAI. It's up to you. Now, what you want? Have you tried it? Is it just the OpenRouter problem or the Grok problem? Let me know in the comment section, and if you have tried Grok 4 Heavy, oh great, that's again I want to hear from any one of you who actually tried the Grok 4 Heavy. Let me know in the comment section, and have a great starting for the amazing AIs. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.